हेलो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सपोज द स्पेयर ए एंड बी हैज आइडेंटिकल साइज, ए थर्ड स्पेयर ऑफ द सेम साइज but uncharged is both to contact with first, then both in contact with the second and finally removed from both. What is the new force of reflection between A and B? कह रहा है कि you have two ball same charge identical A and B, उसके बीच में A के साथ किसी C को लेके आओ, उसे टच कराओ, फिर उसे रिमूव करो, उसे B से टच कराओ, फिर रिमूव करो, फिर A और B का आइडेंटिकल चार्ज और फोर्स कितना होगा। सपोज आपके पास कोई A बॉल है, अनदर बॉल B है। सपोज इसका चार्ज Q है, सेम इसका भी चार्ज Q है। एक चार्ज C पार्टिकल इसके साथ लेके आ रहे हैं, तो आपने देखा कि चार्ज का फ्लो हमेशा हायर से लोअर की तरफ होता है, जब तक होता है जब तक दोनों का चार्ज आपस में बराबर ना हो जाए। ओके, तो यहाँ पे चार्ज क्या है Q, यहाँ पे चार्ज क्या है 0। तो अब जब दोनों को एक दूसरे से ऐड कर देंगे तो चार्ज का फ्लो होगा फर्स्ट चार्ज प्लस सेकंड चार्ज अपॉन 2, यानी अब दोनों का जो चार्ज होगा Q/2 हो जाएगा। यानी अब इधर आप देखें A का जो चार्ज होगा Q/2 होगा और C का जो चार्ज है ये भी Q/2 होगा। ये A है और ये C, समझ रहे ना। अब C को B के कंटेक्ट में लाना है। ओके, तो इसका चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा Q प्लस Q/2 अपॉन 2, फर्स्ट चार्ज प्लस सेकंड चार्ज अपॉन 2। इसको आप एलसीएम ले रहे हैं तो 3Q अपॉन 4, यानी यहाँ पे जो आपका B और ये C, B का चार्ज क्या हुआ Q/4 और C का भी चार्ज क्या हुआ Q/4 हो गया। ओके, अब कह रहा है A और B दोनों का चार्ज बताना है, तो A का आपने निकाला था Q/2 और B का क्या आया है 3Q/4। ओके, फार्मूला क्या है F K Q1 Q2 अपॉन R स्क्वायर। K Q1 मीन्स Q/2, Q2 मीन्स 3Q/4 अपॉन R स्क्वायर। F ये 3/8। ओके, K Q1 Q2 अपॉन R स्क्वायर, यानी अगर हम इसको फाइनल फोर्स मान लें तो F 3/8F इसके बराबर हो जा रहा है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखें, टू सिमिलरिटी इक्वली चार्ज आइडेंटिकल मैटर स्फीयर A and B repel each other with a force of 2 × 10⁻⁻5 Newton. A third identical uncharged sphere C is attached to A, then placed in the midpoint between A and B. Calculate the net electrostatic force on C. Two similarly equally charged identical metal sphere and A and B repel each other with a force 2 × 10⁻⁵. Here given two ball A and B has equal charge, suppose Q. Okay, it has applying force F is equal to 2 × 10⁻⁵ Newton. Okay, then applying Coulomb's law, F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square, where the value of F 2 × 10⁻⁵ is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. This make equation first, then we take a third sphere C which is chargeless, है ना, and it take to contact with A. Suppose it is C, this is C, put in midpoint, total distance is r. So here midpoint r by 2. Here charge 0. So then it divide equal charge. Suppose q plus 0 by 2. Here you get the charge of A is equal to q by 2, and also we can say the charge of C is equal to also q by 2. Then and distance between them is equal to r by 2. Similarly, be applying Coulomb's law, F is equal to k q1 into q2 upon r square. Here F is equal to k q square upon 4 r square by 4. F is equal to k q square by r square. It is the force between A and C. Then applying force due to C to B. Then applying force C to B. Here q by 2, here q. Distance r by 2. Okay. Then applying force F is equal to k q1 into q2 upon r square. Then F is equal to k q square by 2 upon r square by 4. You get 2k q square by r square. Then calculate the net place in the midpoint AB. Calculate the net electrostatic force on C. Force on C means total force minus initial force. We take LCM r square. Here you can write 2q square minus kq square. You get k q square by r square. You know this value is 2 into 10 to power minus 5 Newton. Okay. Next question देखते हैं. Two identical charge capital Q each are kept at the distance r from each other. A third charge small q is placed in the line joining the above two charges such that all the three charges are in equilibrium. What is the magnitude, sign and position of charge small q? Here two identical charges capital Q with distance r. Suppose this point is A, this point is C, and any other point B, which charge is small q, है ना? Since suppose total charge is r, suppose this one is x, so we can write here r minus x. For equilibrium, force of AB is equal to force of BC. For equilibrium, force of AB is equal to force of BC. Force of AB means K Q1 into Q2 upon R square. This one is Q1, this one is Q2, this is R. Here K Q1 into Q2 upon R square. It becomes cancel. You get x square is equal to r minus x whole square. X is equal to r minus x, 2x is equal to r, then x is equal to r by 2. Okay. For equilibrium, the force between AB is equal to force between AC. Since all charges are in equilibrium conditions, then we can say force of AB is equal to force of AC. Force of AB is equal to force of AC. Force of AB K Q1 Q2 upon x square where r means x r by 2 is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. It become cancel, it become also cancel. Q upon R square 4 is equal to Q upon R square. It become cancel. 4Q is equal to capital Q, then Q is equal to capital Q upon 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. 2 point charge 4E and E are fixed at the distance A apart. What should a third charge small q be placed on the line joining the two charges so that it may be in equilibrium? In which case the equilibrium will be established and in which case it is unestablished. See, first condition, 2 point charge 4Q and 4E and E fix a distance approx A. You have two charges 4E and E with distance A. Okay, where should a third point charge small q be placed on the lining join the two charges so that it may be in equilibrium? Okay, suppose third charge put here small q. Suppose this distance is x, then this distance is a minus x. Okay, for equilibrium, force of AB is equal to force of BC. For equilibrium conditions, force of AB is equal to force of BC. Force of AB K Q1 into Q2 upon R square. Similarly, force of BC is equal to Q1 into Q2 upon A minus x whole square. It will write K. K become cancel, E become also cancel, Q become cancel. You get 4 upon x square is equal to 1 upon A minus x whole square. Okay, otherwise 4 A minus x whole square is equal to x square. This one is clear. Here you can write 2 A minus x whole square is equal to x square. Square become cancel. 2 A minus x is equal to plus minus x. 2A minus x is equal to plus minus x. Okay, if we take 2A minus x is equal to x, sorry, 2A minus 2x, then 2A is equal to 3x, then x is equal to 2A by 3. This one is the value of x. Suppose we take negative sign, 2A minus 2x is equal to x minus x. You write 2A is equal to x, then x is equal to 2A. You get here two value of x. As the charge small q is placed between 4E and E, so only 2A by 3, x is equal to 2A by 3 is positive. Hence, for equilibrium, the charge small q must be placed at the distance of 2A upon 3 from the charge 4E. We consider the charge q be positive. We have considered that the small charge q is positive if we displace towards small a from the equilibrium position. F1 will be decreasing and F2 will be increasing, and a net force F2 minus F1 will act on small q towards left, towards the equilibrium position. Hence, equilibrium of positive small q is established. Now, If we take a charge small q to be negative, the force F1 and F2 will be attractable. Okay? Hence, equilibrium position, the negligible charge small q be unstable and positive charge is established. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. टू फ्री पॉइंट चार्ज 4e and e are placed at the distance a. Where should a third point charge small q placed between them such that entire system may be equilibrium? What should be the magnitude and sign of small q? What type of equilibrium will be? Two free point charge 4e and e. You have two charges 4e and e with distance a. Okay, suppose a small charge capital Q placed with distance here x. So this one is a minus x, a b c. Okay, then force of as the charge q reflection in equilibrium charge, then the reflection charge is be negative, then force of AC is equal to force of AB. Force of AC K Q1 into Q2 upon R square. Force of AB K Q1 into Q2 upon x square. This one is cancelled. You get E upon A square is equal to Q upon x square. Okay, then Q a square is equal to E x square, then Q is equal to E x square upon A square. This one is value of K. For equilibrium, force of AB is equal to force of BC. For equilibrium conditions, force of AB is equal to force of BC. Force of AB K Q1 into Q2 upon x square, K Q1 into Q2 upon x square. Cancel, Q cancel, E also cancel. 4 upon x square is equal to 1 upon a minus x whole square. Okay, then cross multiply. X square is equal to 4 a minus x whole square. X square is equal to 2 x minus a whole square. X is equal to 2a minus 2x, then 3x is equal to 2a. Okay, then x is equal to 2a upon 3. Here you understand the value of x is equal to 2a upon 3. Then put the value of x in first equations to find out charge. Q is equal to E x square upon a square. E 4a square upon 9 upon a square. It cancel. Q is equal to 4 upon 9a. This one is the value of charge. See the next question. 2-point charge of charge value capital Q and small q are placed at the distance x and x by 2 respectively from a third charge of charge value 4 small q, all charges being in the same straight line. Calculate the magnitude and nature of charge of capital Q such that the net force experienced by the charge must Q is 0. You have given two charges. See here questions. Here two charges, force Q, 4Q is small q and capital Q. Total distance is x, then half distance is x by 2. Here x by 2. Suppose this one is A, B and C. Then force of AB is equal to force of BC. You know force of AC K, Q1 into Q2 upon R square is equal to K Q1 into Q2 upon R square. You can cancel this. You write 4Q is equal to Q, then Q is equal to capital Q by 4. Since it asks the value of capital Q, so you can write capital Q is equal to 4 small q. It's okay? Noted. See next questions. A charge capital Q is to be divided on two objects. What should be the value of charge on two objects so that force between the object can be maximum? You have given a charge capital Q. Suppose first charge, it is divided in two parts. Suppose first part has charge small q, then second have capital Q minus small q. You know force is equal to K Q1 into Q2 upon R square. You know it asks maxima. In this question it asks maxima. For maxima or minima by mathematical AOD application of differential be applied df upon dr is equal to 0. Okay, then df d upon dr k, you take k upon r square as a common, multiply dq minus q square must be 0. It becomes 0. You here differential q minus 2q is equal to 0. Then 2q is equal to capital Q, q is equal to capital Q by 2. Okay, noted this. Next, principle of superposition of electrostatic force. The principle of superposition states that when a number of charges are intersecting, the total force to a given charge is the vector sum of force exists on due to all other charges. Suppose here applying force F12, here F13, F14, here F11, so Fn. Then we can write total force is sum of all identical forces, Fn. This one is the formula of summation of forces. Okay, and other, if you have given two force and angle between them is theta. Suppose you have two force F1 and F2 and angle between them is theta. We use vectors formula like class 11th. Here we write F is equal to under root F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. This is another formula of superposition. Always unit of force is Newton and unit of charge is Coulomb and unit of distance is always taken to be meter. Okay, there is only important examples and numericals.